Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got a really neat little unusual, hard to find 2012 Ford. And to start with, this is an F550. So we're looking at an 18,000 pound GVW on this truck. This is not just a little 1 ton now. You can actually put something in this one. And this has a mover's body or a movie studio body on it, which is very unique, very hard to find. There aren't a lot of them out there. I know it's a movie studio body because we got it from a movie studio in California. So this is a 2012. Under the hood is a 6.8 V8 gas motor. And I think this is a 16-foot box plus the attic up there. And when you see inside this thing, you're just not going to believe it. So you got to keep in mind it's an extra tall one. So that's 12 foot high on that thing. And I'll show you the way you get that extra height. And of course, California, it's a little dusty, but there's no rust on anything back there. There's a toolbox like that on both sides. And this side of the truck's pretty straight. Got just a little tiny little scrape there. Unleaded fuel, of course. 2,000 pound tailgate. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. Steel diamond plate, very unique. It's got a set of inside controls hanging up right there. And it's got light switches up there. Now you see that power box, or that outlet, that's because on the side of the truck there's a place to plug in an extension cord. So if it's going to take you a while to load this, you don't have to worry about wearing out your batteries. You can go ahead and plug it in, and you'll be able to use 120 volts. As a matter of fact, there's the plug-in right there. Here's the control for the tailgate. It is a power leveling, and that's also what closes the door. If you look in the pictures, you'll see it with the doors closed. So you got a control box right here. That one there goes down. This one here goes up. And if you hold the center one in and then go up, it'll raise it. And if you push it down, it'll lower it. It's very, very nice set. Palfinger, one of the best on the market right there, actually. Again, super nice little rig right here. It's got the step to get in, and it's got the curbside door. And it's not banged all up. It opens and closes just like it's supposed to. Still has the insulation or the weatherproofing on it. Notice all the oak guards and tie downs all the way inside, all the way up to the top. Translucent roof. You have a little daylight in the day, and look it up there. There's your attic right there. And we bought this in California, and we drove it out here. So we put about 2,000 miles on this truck. Absolutely is just a super great truck. Absolutely love it. It's built like a tank. It really is. There's your other toolbox again. There's no rust or anything in it. Interior of the truck is super clean. Door panels are clean. Look at this. Nice. All the upholstery is good. Headliner is good. No surprises here, I don't think. It's got the fold-down armrest right there. And if you don't need the fold-down armrest, then of course you just push that. Don't know if I can do it with one hand or not. Probably not. Let me just set that down. You push that back up like that, and then now you got 3 passenger seating, right? Never hurts to have a little help. I wanted you to see the tires on this thing too. Look at that. Holy mackerel. This thing is just remarkable. It's such a nice running little truck. Look at there. Tires on it are all like new. So somebody got a little close right there. They broke off that little piece that's supposed to be there. Does have the tow hooks right there. See, it's supposed to have a little piece of trim like that. No big deal. I think you can live with that. Such a nice truck. Cab corners are good. Nobody's run into it. It's just a nice little truck. It is a marathon body. As I say, it's the extra tall one. And it is clean. This is the power switch for the power liftgate on it. It does have cruise control set and all that kind of stuff right there. It's got a nice little, I'm going to just turn that off, sound system in it. And it's got the CD player right there. And it's got the jack right there if you want to put in one of your little, whatever little recorders are. It's got a trailer brake controller on it. Don't even know if it's got a trailer hitch. We can check and see. Nice truck. Oh, it won't show me the mileage unless I close the door. So, give me just a second. It does have a backup camera as well. There's nothing behind us, so that's why it's showing that. And it's got a whole 109,000 miles on it. And if you watch the tach, it is running. There's no check engine lights. There's nothing weird or dumb about the truck. Such a nice piece. Beverage holders down there. Nice, 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 straight, clean. This is the kind of truck that we always are looking for. You guys up north, this is what a rust-free truck looks like. I know, that's mean of me, isn't it? Oh well, what can I say? Hey, this is a 2012. Remember, F550, not a little toy, 18,000 pound GVW. 16-foot box plus the attic up there, soft on miles, V8 gas, V10 actually, I'm sorry, V10 gas. Nice, nice, nice truck. If you can use this truck, you give me a call. We're right down here in Henderson, Tennessee. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And once again, as always, I appreciate you looking.